ahead.
She's a natural.
Keep playing, curve your fingers, and look at the camera and smile.
She's a good sport too.
How about this?
Wow.
Keep going. And she's never played before.
She's
right?
amazing. No, has never played.
Good rhythm.
Now sing. Sing
I
with me.
can't sing.
La 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 la.
Wow.
Wow, that's fantastic. You made Kerry do more. I've done 1,000 videos on my channel. It's the most she's ever done. You got
Coney
excellent
Island.
talent.
I grew up I was born in Brooklyn, New York.
Me too.
Yeah, and I went to Queens College.
Yeah. John Jay, college for me.
Yeah, I wonder if I.
This is Jason, by the way.
Hey guys.
How are you?
Great to see
This
you
is
guys.
Charlotte, the mom. Hi. And I forget your name now. What's his name?
Oh, Mike.
Mike. Sorry, Mike.
We call him Mike.
Big Mike?
Big Mike.
Big Mike. There you go.
How about this?
So we're here with Big Mike.
Big Mike.
That was awesome, Mike. Thank you so
Wait, let
much.
me go here.
Music teacher. Look at that. Oh, that little Mike there.
And little me.
Little Kerry. Jason. He's a music teacher from
Yeah.
Connecticut.
Greenwich, yep.
Greenwich.
Greenwich.
And we have Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. How are you?
Doing fine.
Yep.
Nice
she was
to
a
see you.
first grade teacher.
First grade teacher. That's amazing.
Yep.
Wow. The kids were
Would you like a
blessed.
little-
So that was super incredible. I think Kerry's got some musical talent that she doesn't know about. I mean, she really has never really played the piano before. But it goes to show you with teacher Michael that how if you're a really good teacher, how you can bring the best out in everybody. And Michael, being a teacher for 40 years and having his own store, he just was incredible. I mean, and this was completely unscripted. Kerry didn't know what she was walking into. And usually, Kerry's shy. She would just be the first one to say, no, I'm not going to do that. But it was just so spontaneous that she's like, oh, okay. And she went over and she was, as you saw, she was doing it really, really well. And like I was joking, out of all the times I've tried to get Kerry to do things on my channel with, food or commenting on Disney, I guess this is the secret. You got to hit her spontaneously, and then she rises to the occasion. But hey, you never know. Maybe Kerry's got some secret talents, and Matt had his musical experience, had gotten it from somewhere. So maybe it was from Kerry. Who knows? So thanks for tuning in and seeing Kerry's first live performance on the piano. Have a good time. Have a great day, and happy Easter. Bye now.